In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to refund Suno AI. Refunds for Suno AI are not always guaranteed, but you can absolutely request one through their billing and support system, especially if you ran into accidental charges, duplicate payments, subscription issues, failed renewals, or technical problems. I'll walk you through what to prepare, where to go, and how to phrase your request so you have the best chance of a smooth resolution. Start by confirming where you originally subscribed. The refund path depends on your payment source. Check whether you subscribed directly on the Suno website, through the Apple App Store, or through the Google Play Store. Your email receipts and bank statements are the easiest way to tell. Receipts from Apple or Google indicate an App Store purchase, while a receipt referencing Suno directly points to a website purchase. If you subscribed on the Suno website, open the support area on the Suno AI site. Look for their support or help center. Once you're there, find the option to reach the team. This might appear as submit request, contact support, or billing help. That's where you'll file your refund request. In your message, clearly explain three things: what charge happened, when it occurred, and why you want a refund. Be specific. Include the date of the transaction, the amount, and the plan or product. Briefly describe the reason, such as an accidental upgrade, a duplicate bill, a renewal you didn't intend, or a technical issue that prevented you from using the service. If you have a screenshot of the receipt or a bank line item, mention that you can provide it. Keep your tone polite, factual, and concise. Do not include sensitive information like full card numbers or passwords. Support never needs that to investigate your case. After submitting, watch your email for a confirmation and any follow-up questions. Respond promptly if they ask for clarification. If your refund is approved, it will be returned to your original payment method, and the timing can vary depending on your bank or card issuer. If you subscribe through the Apple App Store or Google Play, your refund must be requested through that store's system using your account there. Each store has its own policies, review process, and timelines, so follow the prompts in the store's refund section and provide the same clear explanation of what happened, when it was charged, and why you're requesting a refund. That's it. Verify where you subscribed, contact the correct channel, and submit a clear, well-documented request. Following these steps gives you the best chance for a fast, fair outcome.